morning. This is my, I think, 4th day in Hue. I'm leaving tomorrow, but today is a very special day because I am going to explore the Perfume River, but on a boat with a very special people. I think it would be a great experience. We will have a lot of language barriers. Anyway, I'll stop talking and see you soon. Do you know Indonesia?
I know.
Are you from Hue?
Yeah.
Yeah? Seems like you can actually go here, pay a certain amount of money to get onto that boat without having to have a private boat. So the story is that this boat, people who are actually running it are considered to be boat people, meaning they actually live on the boat. This is not their living area, this particular marina. However, the government tried to relocate them to move to a house or housing on the land. The government is trying to reduce the water pollution that comes from this particular boat area. Because they are so used to living close to the water, they're not actually keen about this idea. So the houses are given to their particular younger generation. However, the older generation are pretty much still living on a boat. Living close to the water is their particular natural habitat. This is quite interesting. So what the government is doing is basically arranging this boat, trying to change them into tourist boat, so that it's like win-win solution for them and for the tourism. So it turns out I have to be at that particular floating restaurant. But the real task is to find a boat that has 0531 that has that particular number. I think every boat has their own serial number. There are so many boats, I don't know which one is this. Hey, I'm looking for boat number 0531.
Biết rồi. Okay.
No.
Here. Number 1.
Oh yeah, 05. Oh yay! Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Where you from?
Indonesia. What's your name?
My name Lak.
Lak.
Yes.
Shifa.
Sifa.
Lak, are you coming?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The boat is actually very clean. Oh, we're going to depart soon.
How old?
Me? 27. You?
50.
50. Wow, which one is your
26.
26? The daughter. Yours here.
42.
42? Not 24.
26.
26 and
42. Yeah.
wow. So this is what she's basically saying, that this is her daughter. This is the wedding picture. 24 years old, and the son-in-law is like 42. Wow.
Market.
Yeah.
I have a gift.
Yeah, we are going to market. Yeah. How do you say your name again?
My name?
Yeah.
My name Lak.
Lak.
My name Mom.
Mom, you look young. You too. Thank you. You look young, yeah? So we are going to the market to actually buy some ingredients for our lunch. It's fascinating, right? We're particularly buying ingredients for lunch. She will directly cook it. This is a morning market trip. Exciting. You can smell everything here. All the things with fresh ingredients are sold here. Okay.
Một chỉ lên của chị của em đi. Ôi cho đi bên này đi. Quay đỏ. Chị của em thì đang gì đó. Đây, buổi đi vào đây. Ngại tôi đây.
She's basically saying that she thought I am her daughter. Wow, there's always something about wet market in the morning, and you will see locals live. Fascinating. Okay, yes. We're going on a boat to get to our boat. Here, sit. Yeah.
Oh, no.
No?
Có từng dừa mà đó. Té những mùi đó. Nó bị mùi cắt lắm. Đẹp cái mặt kia ngọn luộc đẹp. Dừa hộp nữa. Nói đậm dưa con không đấy. Thơm đấy nhờ.
This is the type of experience that I'm already very much fascinated by. We're nearing to the boat. You can see that they're actually drying up clothing. It is actually their house, moving house. Thank you. Basically, as you can see, this is her kitchen and her toilet, everything within this area, within this particular boat. Out of this world. So she's basically, if you can hear me, she's basically cutting the pineapples. This is particularly Perfume River. So it is called as Perfume River not because it has perfumery smell, but it is just because of the shape that it's not like straight. People are trying to call it something unique so that people can remember easily. There is no any kind of smell coming out of this river. There is no smell whatsoever. Magnificent pagoda. There's so much Chinese touch to it, right? Writings, the architecture, even the way how it looks. And there is no entrance fee. How great! So along the way, of course, she will ask us to buy some souvenirs. I bought lots of postcards. Also, this kind of thing for water bottle. And I think it may seem like a lot of money to spend because the cost is a lot more, but then again, these are their only source of income, and what may seem to be a lot to you, probably even bigger for some other people, it's probably less than 10 bucks. And she gave me this particular souvenir for free for that kind of friendship. What I'm trying to say is that it's okay to share the economy during your travel, being a more responsible tourist, traveler. After I can't speak. After a very hot, humid, she cooked me beautiful noodles, I think fried noodles, and veggies, as well as something like fried dumplings, rice, fish sauce. Oh! Alay, Indonesia. We're going to sail again. It feels like eating on a cruise, but more a simpler version of it. So usually when you share commonalities about family, people are like, no matter where you are in the world, the basic line of similarities usually are families. So share photos and everything, explaining about your families. They're so excited to get to know you. much about it for today's experience, and I hope that something out of this experience also teach you something, because it definitely teaches me something. And sometimes, right, when it comes to quote-unquote authentic experience, you need to spend a little bit more money. Like for example, this is not so much of a tour, still considerably to be reasonable pay, and it is for them as well. Again, what may seem to be a small amount of money to you, to me, to us, can help someone else's economy a lot further. We are reaching the shore that we actually left from, so that's pretty much about it for today's experience. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting this journey, this channel. It also helps me to help someone else's economy, you know. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I love reading your comments. See you again next time on the next video. Bye. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.